What happened?
Shaving his skin.
It's not here.
That phone is oak.
Yo, guys. Are you scared to call dad or something?
No, it's not that. It's like
Wait, so
this. My generation knew how to work this, but this generation.
racist.
No, it's not racist. I'm saying, look, you grab the phone, it has a dial tone, you put the quarter, and then you dial the number 1978 because you are in New Hampshire.
So I'll pick up the phone.
You pick up the phone, you put the quarter in there. Once you put the quarter, you have to hear the dial tone. That is, it goes, it's do, and then to do.
Okay, mommy. You
And
don't have
then-
to make the sound.
I'm just saying. Go
Too
ahead.
much, Mom.
This is history. Put the quarter.
1, 9, 7, 8.
Wait, just wait. No. Don't do anything. Is it ringing?